Feeling overwhelmed by coding options? You're not alone. Many beginners don't know where to start. But today, I'll guide you through the simplest steps to begin coding right away. Let's dive in and simplify the journey. First, decide your coding goal: web development, app creation, or AI. Start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as your foundation. Then, choose based on your goal: JavaScript for web, C# for .NET, or Python for AI. Begin with small projects like a calculator or to-do app. Practice daily, even if it's just an hour. Consistency is key. By following this method, you can start coding today. Subscribe to ByteGenesis for more guidance.